Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the Southern Wing of the Stink Bug Works. The Porsche, the RSK, the 1962 RSK, has been in the paint shop, and I only shot paint on the bottom and the sides. I didn't do anything in the top because I was too lazy to mask stuff off, and I was really looking for the seam along here, and I found a number of pinholes, and you can see I'm filling those things in. And so yeah, there were a lot of little pinholes in this join. So once this thing cooks off, you know what? I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. Now, I use this slow curing epoxy, but heat really speeds up its cure. And I'm one of the few people in California that have a gas oven. And I can set that oven for 150 degrees or, 175 degrees. And quite frankly, fiberglass can withstand 150 degrees, 175 degrees all day long. So I take this, and it's going to go in with this filler. I take this and I put it in the oven at 150 degrees and turn on the convection fan. And let me tell you, that dries epoxy real quickly. And it also does the same for primer and body filler. So this is going to get a ride in the oven at 150 degrees for an hour or so, and it'll be ready to sand out. Then I'll get up the gumption to tape off this hatch and prime the top. I'm not shooting much paint on it at all. I mean, it's just a really super light coat, just basically so I can see the pinholes and such, because I want to fill those before, there's another one. That one will fill up with paint. But all in all, it's coming along. Now, you guys never got to see the final cooling arrangement. So here it is. So this is my Gazinta pipe that comes out of the Gazinta and Gazada, and the Gazinta and Gazada there. And I wanted to move my speed control forward because the leads weren't quite long enough. So I shortened this tube by about a half an inch, and I shortened this tube, which joins down there on the floor. So that'll slide this whole thing forward just a little bit. And then here's the little U-turn bend I put from the Gazinta and the Gazada. And so here's the little U-turn bend. I never would have made that bend with this silicone tubing. It would have kinked. And so that's how I did it. So there you go. We're going to go pop this thing in the oven. Oh, another one of my plans is the TFL rudder does not have the kick-up feature. So I'm going to replace this lower bolt with a nylon bolt and round this corner off so that when it's engaged here in the rudder bracket, it can swing up. So that little corner has to come off. You guys have all seen that trick before, though. So there you go. I'm making progress. I have decals, that say Vasek Polak Porsche Manhattan Beach. So the 88Es, Class E, go on the side, and the Vollet goes in front of it. It'll have an 88 here, an 88 back here. It'll have the little Porsche crest right here. And on the back, it'll have a Porsche decal and maybe a larger emblem. Maybe I should put the small emblem at the back and the big emblem at the front. Yeah, that's the way I'll do it. Okay, boys and girls, Jet has a plan, and I'm going to go cook off some filler. Until next time, boys and girls, Jet out.